Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify eBay dropshipping account requirements and policies, full guide step by step clearly. To verify eBay dropshipping account requirements and policies, start by understanding what dropshipping is. Research eBay's dropshipping policy on their official website. Familiarize yourself with the guidelines regarding shipping and delivery times. Check eBay's policy on acceptable suppliers for dropshipping. Ensure that your items are listed at a competitive price. Review the eBay seller performance standards and requirements. Create an eBay account if you don't already have one. Complete the registration process by providing necessary personal information. Ensure that your account is verified through email confirmation. Set up a PayPal account or link your bank account to eBay for payment processing. Familiarize yourself with eBay's return policy and handling of customer service. Review the eBay rules regarding excessive returns and refunds. Make sure to comply with eBay's policy on intellectual property rights to avoid violations. Find a reliable dropshipping supplier that adheres to eBay's policies. Ensure your supplier provides accurate shipping times and tracking information. List your products on eBay while ensuring compliance with their selling policies. Regularly monitor your account for any policy updates or changes. Stay informed about eBay's seller performance metrics to maintain a good standing. Consider joining seller forums or communities for tips and support. Follow best practices in handling customer inquiries and resolving issues. Make a habit of reviewing eBay's policies periodically to stay compliant. With diligence, you will successfully verify and maintain your eBay dropshipping account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.